Good morning, my dear students. Before class, we have discussed about the what is the differential equation, what is the order, what is the degree. Okay. I hope that you understood or not. What is the differential equation? Means an equation containing the independent variable, dependent variable, and contains the differential coefficients of the means dependent variable with respect to the independent variable is called the differential equation. What is the order? Order is the highest derivative occurs in that given equation is called order of the differential equation. Next, degree, the index or power of the highest order derivative is called degree of the differential equation, my dear students. Now today we are going to a general solution or particular solution of the differential equation. First means here this is y double dash minus y dash is equal to 0. This is the y double dash minus y dash is equal to 0, that is called, observe that y double dash minus y dash is equal to 0. This is called differential equation 100%. d square by dx square minus dy by dx is equal to 0. What is the solution? Means we find the curve first. This is y is equal to e power x plus 1 is solution or not? Observe that y is equal to e power x plus 1 is a general solution or particular solution. Here differential equation is given, curve is given. This is the solution for this one or not? Okay, this one is the solution for this differential equation or not? Observe that. Now find the two-time differentiation. dy by dx is equal to e power x, derivative e power x plus 1 derivative 0. d square by dx square is, that is e power x. This is y dash, this is y double dash. Now substitute here. Y double dash minus y dash is equal to e power x minus e power x. What happened, my dear friends? That equal to 0. Means this is the y is equal to e power x plus 1 is the solution or particular solution or general solution of the given differential equation actually. Okay, in this way we will check. Now what happened? Now here formation of the differential equation, whose general solution is given, this one is given, means equation is given, we will find the general means we will find the differential equation. Whenever the solution is given, we will find the differential equation. Solution is given to find the differential equation. Okay, my dear students, how to do the differential equations? Whenever the equations or whenever the general solution is given, general solution must should observe that how it is the general solution. One is the independent variable, dependent variable, yes, and constants 100%. What is the solution solution containing machine? This is the differential equation. Now we will find this differential equation actually. Okay, my dear students, we will find the differential equation when the solution is given, means the solution containing the equation of the type machine should. Here y is equal to f of x, y is the dependent variable, x is the independent variable, and the constants is that those are called arbitrary constants. Now the equation suppose in this way. Let the given equation is, let how to form the differential equation when solution is given. When solution is given, how to solution what is the solution? Means 100% solution contains the one independent variable, one dependent variable, and constants. Okay, my dear students, let observe that f of x comma y, f of x comma y means independent variable, dependent variable, and the constants. Suppose C1, C2, C3, so on Cn is equal to 0. This is the given equation. This is equation number 1, my dear students. Here, other than the variables, means independent, dependent variables, other than the variables, how many constants are there? How many constants are there? N constants are there. Those are called arbitrary constants. Listen carefully. How many constants are there? N constants are there. Those are called arbitrary constants. The name of the constants is called arbitrary constants. Now, whenever you find suppose the equation have only one arbitrary constant, you will differentiate only one time. The equation means the general solution, means this given equation have two arbitrary constants, must and should, we will do the 2 times differentiation. The given arbitrary constants, the given equation have the 3 arbitrary constants, we must and should differentiate 3 times with respect to x. Okay, my dear students. Now here, how many constants are there? N constants. Now differentiate the given equation how many times? N times. But suppose here only one arbitrary constant means we will get the dy by dx. Two arbitrary constant means d square y by dx. We will get the two equations. Three arbitrary constant means we will get the one equation, differentiation of function with respect to x, again differentiation, again differentiation. How many equations we get? Three equations. Given equation is one equation. Now differentiate here C1, C2, C3, so on Cn are n constants. Those constants are called arbitrary constants. Whenever you find the constants, how many constants are there? N constants are available. Now the differentiate the given equation with respect to x how many times? N times. Okay. Now after second step, first of all one constant is there, we will differentiate only one time. Two constants are there, to differentiate two times, means second order derivative we will find. First of all three constants are there, we will find the three differentiations. Okay my dear students, three times derivative. Okay. Now to differentiate equation 1 with respect to x n times, with respect to x n times. Why n times means n arbitrary constants are there, we will take n times. First of all two arbitrary constants means two times to differentiate this one. Okay, how many equations we will get here? First time, second time, so on n times. Total we will get the n plus 1 equations. The given equation n times the differentiation means n equations. Okay, therefore we will get n plus 1 equations. Okay my dear students, we will get the n plus 1 equations. By using these n plus 1 equations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, whatever may be, you will do to remove the arbitrary constants. We will get the total of how many equations we will get? Given equation and n time differentiation means n plus 1. Total equations is n plus 1. Those n plus 1 equations, those equations we will add or subtract or multiply or division, whatever may be, we remove these arbitrary constants. Okay. After that, we remove the arbitrary constants from by using, after we remove the arbitrary constants, okay, we remove the, after not, we remove the arbitrary constants by using, okay my dear students, by using n plus 1 equations, by using n plus 1 equations. Now we will get the differential equations. Now after that what happened? Now we will get differential equation. Whenever you remove by using the above equations, 100% you will get the differential equation. My dear students, this is the process. What is the process? First, you will take the given equation. First, your concentration on the how many arbitrary constants are there. One arbitrary constant is a one time differentiation only. Two arbitrary constants are two times differentiation only, 2 plus given equation 1. By three equations we will remove the arbitrary constants my dear students. Don't confuse. Three arbitrary constants is given, compulsory we will do the differentiation 3 times my dear students. Okay, we are going to some problems. Okay my dear students, how to do the problems? These are the general solutions is given. First one, y is equal to mx, where in the brackets are the arbitrary constants. Here also arbitrary constant a comma b. Okay. Here m is the arbitrary constant, means how many time differentiation? Only one time. We will take the given equation, that is equal to y is equal to mx. Already I explained the equation containing the dependent variable, independent variable and the constant x, y and m. Our goal is to remove this m. How many times differentiation? Only one time difference, because it have only one arbitrary constant. Okay my dear students. Now let this equation number 1 differentiate with respect to x. Now y derivative y dash m into x derivative is 1. This equation number 2. Here m value, you remove the arbitrary constant from 1 and 2. What is our goal? We will find the arbitrary constant values. Here m is equal to how much? Y dash. You substitute here. Therefore, 2 substitute in 1. Only one time differentiation only. Okay. Now y is equal to m means y dash into x. Into x means this one. That is y is equal x into dy by dx. Now plus y that side, x into dy by dx minus y is equal to 0. This is the differential equation. This is the solution. This is the differential equation. I hope that you understood or not. Yes. Okay. Very easy problems, my dear student. Don't confuse and don't excite. Okay, my dear students. Now we are going to the second problem. What is the second problem? Now x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 in the bracket a comma. What is the meaning of this one? A and b are the arbitrary constant. You remove the both a and b by using these equations. Now differentiate this equation number 1. Simple. This is the general solution. We will find the differential equation. Now differentiate 1 with respect to x. X derivative 1 by a plus y derivative. What is the derivative of y dash by b is equal to 0. I hope that you understood or not. Yes, this is equation number 2. From again differentiate this one. 2 differentiate with respect to x again. 1 by a totally constant 0 plus y dash derivative y double dash by b is the 1 by b is the constant. Okay, that equals 0. Now cross multiplication, y dash is equal to b. Y dash is equal to b into 0 0. Y dash means d square y by dx square equal. Last we will get one equation. You observe that in this one no arbitrary constant. Therefore this is the solution. This is the solution. Okay, my dear students. Our goal is 100% we remove the arbitrary constants. Next, y square is equal to third problem. A into b square minus x square. We will find the values of a and b, my dear students. This is equation number 1. No problem at all. Now differentiate with respect to x. Okay. Y square derivative is 2y. Again y derivative is y dash. Y dash means dy by dx. Here a constant. A is constant. Remaining b square minus x square is there. What is the derivative of b square? B square derivative is 0. Minus x square derivative is minus 2x. I hope that you understood or not. Yeah. Here 2y y dash is equal to minus 2ax. 2ax. Here 2 cancel. Okay, my dear students. 2 cancel. Y dash is equal to minus ax. This is equation number 2. Now, how many time differentiation? 2 time differentiation. Only 1 time complete. 2 differentiate with respect to x. 2 differentiate with respect. Here uv method. First u into y dash derivative y double dash plus v y dash into again y derivative is y dash is equal to minus ax derivative is minus a. Okay, my dear students. Minus a. Here y into y double dash plus y dash square is equal to minus a. This is from this one you remove just a value. From this from 2 observe that what is the value of minus a? Observe that here minus a is equal from this one minus a is equal to y dash by x. From this one observe that. Our goal is to remove the arbitrary constants whatever may be. Already in this one only a is remaining. We will find the a value here. Substitute a. Complete the solution. Okay, my dear students. I hope that understood or not. Yes. Now y into y double dash plus y dash square is equal to minus a value y dash by x. Okay, my dear students. Now cross multiplication x into y double dash plus xy dash square minus y dash is equal to 0. This is the solution. Complete solution for this equation. Differential equation. This is the given general solution. We will find the differential equation. Okay, my dear students. I hope that you understood or not. Yes. Okay, my dear students, we are going to next problem. Y is equal to question number 4. Y is equal to a into e power 3x plus b into e power minus 2x. Here also a comma b are the arbitrary constant. 100% you differentiate 2 times. Okay, my dear friends, this is equation number 1. 1 differentiate with respect to x. Y derivative is y dash is equal, what is the derivative of e power 3x? E power 3x into 3. Yes, this is 3a e power 3x. Here what is the derivative of e power x means e power x minus 2x derivative is minus 2, already plus is there. Minus 2b e power minus 2x. This is equation number 2. Okay, my dear students. Again differentiate. 2 differentiate with respect to x. 2 differentiate with respect to x. Y dash derivative y double dash is equal to, here e power 3x derivative e power 3x into 3, already 3 is there, that is 9a e power 3x minus e power minus 2x derivative e power minus 2x into minus 2x derivative is minus 2, already minus is there, plus 4b into e power minus 2x. This is equation number 3. Now from these 3 equations 1, 2, 3, to remove the arbitrary constants a and b. Actually we solving these 3 equations very complicated. It's going to remove the a comma b, it is very complicated, but to remove the a comma b from these equations, here per suppose e power 3x e power minus 2x is the constant per suppose, by using the determinant method to eliminate the both arbitrary constants a and b by using the determinant method. How to eliminating in this type, eliminating a comma b from 1, 2 and 3, that is determinant. First we will write the e power 3x a, every equation we will write the coefficient of a, coefficient of b and the constant other than a comma b, that is constant. Okay, consider a, what is the coefficient of a? E power 3x. What is the coefficient of b? E power minus 2x. And the, this is that side, what happened? Minus y. Here same, a coefficient 3 into e power 3x, b coefficient minus 2 into e power minus 2x. I hope that understood or not. Next, here constant is per suppose minus y dash. Next here 9 e power 3x, here 4 e power minus 2x, here minus y double dash is equal to. By determinant property, we will take the common from any row or any column. Here observe that here e power 3x we will take in common, here e power minus 2x taken common, here minus 1 taken common, that side must be equal to 0, my dear students. What happened? Here e power 3x taken common, 1, 3, 9, e power 3x into something that side, 0. Here e power minus 2x common, 1, minus 2, 4, e power minus 2x that side, 0. Here minus 1 taken common, y, y dash, y double dash, minus 1 that side, 0 by something, 100% 0. What happened here? 1, 3, 9. Now 1 minus 2, 4, y, y dash, y double dash is equal to 0. I hope that understood or not? Yes. Now expansion. What the expansion is going on? Yes. This is, I hope that you understood or not? Yes. Now expansion is going on. What the expansion? Tell me, my dear students. Here first 1 into determinant, 1 into minus 2 into y double dash, minus 2 y double dash, minus 4 y dash, minus 1 into, yes, cofactor of this one is negative, 3 into y double dash, minus 9y dash. I hope that understood or not? This one gone, 3 into y double dash minus 9y dash, plus y into 3 4s are 12, minus 29 minus 18 means plus 18 is equal to 0. Okay, my dear students, what happened this one? 1 into means minus 2y double dash, minus 4y dash, minus 3y double dash, minus into minus, plus 9y dash, plus this is 30y is equal to 0. Okay. Next we are going to first write the y double dash. What is y double dash, my dear students? Minus 3 minus 2 means minus 5y double dash, minus 4y dash plus means plus 5y dash, plus 30y is equal to 0. Minus 5 take common, minus 5 take common, y double dash minus y dash minus 6y is equal to 0. This is the required solution, my dear students. In this way, we will do the problems. I hope that you understood or not? Yes. Okay. Next, we are going to the next problem. What is the next problem is going on? Okay. Y is equal to, question number 5. Y is equal to e power 2x into a plus bx, where a comma b are the arbitrary constant. In this way also 100% we will do the 2 times differentiation. Okay, my dear students, I hope that you understood or not? Yes. Therefore, 1 differentiate with respect to x. 1 differentiate with respect to x. What happened? Y derivative is y dash. Here u v method, my dear students. First u into e power 2x into a plus bx derivative. What is the a plus bx derivative? A derivative is 0, bx derivative is b, plus v. V means a plus bx into e power 2x derivative, e power 2x into 2. That is 2 into e power 2x. Okay, my dear students. I hope that you understood or not? Yes. What is going on? Y dash is equal here b into e power 2x plus 2 into this value. Observe that. E power 2x into a plus bx. E power 2x into a plus bx must should y. Y. Okay. Now y dash minus 2y this side. 2y is equal b into e power 2x. This is equation number 2. Now again, if only one time completed, next second time. Okay, my dear students. 2 differentiate with respect to x. Y dash derivative y double dash minus 2 into y derivative y dash is equal to b into e power 2x. B constant. What is the derivative of e power 2x? E power 2x into 2. That is 2b e power 2x. Now from these 3 equations, compulsory we remove the a and b. Here observe that here b into 2 e power 2x. B into e power 2. Already I find out b into e power 2x value, y dash minus 2y. Substitute here. Okay. Therefore, y double dash minus 2 into y dash is equal to 2 into b into e power 2x value, y dash minus 2y. Since from 2. I hope that you understood or not? Yes. Y double dash minus, this is 2y dash, this side minus 2y dash, already minus 2y is there, 4y dash. Here minus into plus into minus, minus 2 2s are 4y, minus 4y this side, plus 4y is equal to 0. This is the solution. Okay, my dear students. In this way, we will do the problems. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the next problem. What is the next problem here? Y is equal to, question number 6. Y is equal to e power x into a cos x plus b sin x. This is equation number 1. 100% you remove the arbitrary constants. You do very carefully. Means, I think. Now, 1 differentiate with respect to x. Y derivative y dash is equal to e power uv method 100% uv e power x into this derivative. Cos x derivative minus sin x minus a sin x plus b cos x. B cos x. I hope that you understood or not? Plus a cos x plus b sin x v into e power x derivative is e power x. Okay, my dear students. uv method, u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u. Now observe that this is total. What about this? Y. This value is must should y or not? Yeah. That is plus y. This side minus y. Y dash minus y is equal to e power x into minus a sin x plus b cos x. This is equation number 2. Observe that carefully, my dear students. Okay. Now again 2 differentiate with respect to x. 2 differentiate with respect to x. Y dash derivative y double dash minus y derivative is y dash is equal again uv method. Okay, my dear students. U into means e power x into minus sin x derivative cos x. Here cos x derivative is minus sin x, means minus b sin x plus v into means minus a sin x plus b cos x into e power x derivative is e power x. Okay, my dear students. I hope that you understood or not. Yeah. Y double dash minus y dash is equal, here in this one taken common minus, e power x into a sin x plus b cos, sorry, a cos x plus b sin x plus e power x into minus a sin x plus b cos x. Just okay, minus take common, some rearrangements is going on. Observe that y double dash minus y dash, this value observe that. What is this value? From 1. From 1 this is y minus y plus, what about this value? Observe that. From 2 e power x into minus a sin x plus b cos x, e power x into minus a sin x plus b cos x. From 2 what happened? Y dash minus y, y dash minus y. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. Now minus y minus y, this side plus 2y, plus y dash this side, minus y dash, already minus y dash is there. That's why y double dash minus 2y dash plus 2y is equal to 0. Okay, my dear students, in this way we will complete the problems. This is not means numerical problems. Now we are going to the next class. We are going to the means what is the theoretical problems. Theoretical problems is given, whatever maybe is given, means solution is given, we will find the differential equations. Don't neglect the topic, please do the topic. Okay, my dear students, thank you one and all.